Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. This is going to be one stunning M135i. So as you can see, one complete car. Skyscraper grey, so quite a rare individual colour on these. Nice to see the individuals start to come through. So we'll run through modifications start to finish. Grille from BMW, lower canards also from BMW, front splitter and side skirts are genuine M Performance ones, along with the wing. Now mirror caps and the end plates on the wing have been painted to match the car. It looks really good. We've done this a few times. I think we're going to end up doing this on our green one as well. With the top spoiler, just to remember that it is a bond and we do need the car overnight. So if you think about coming in the morning and taking it away that day, it can't happen. There's not a lot to attach these, so it does need bonding on. Sierra rear diffuser. It's actually booked in next week for the exhaust as well, so we're going to be doing that one. We'll do maybe just a reel on the exhaust. That's going to come in for carbon fibre tailpipes, which will look really good against the colour. Eibach 25mm front and rear springs. It's actually Kyle's wife, Kyle at Define Coding. This is who he is. We'll put his Instagram down below for any coding information. Ask him. 25-25 works really, really well. Perfect daily setup, enough just to give that car the look it needs, sitting on our MW1s, change tyres out, Michelin pilots, perfect. Deep-badge across the back. And one of the other things we also did is fit the Piper Cross carbon intake by Armour. Absolutely stunning, sound really good, look amazing. So let's get it outside, get some B-roll and let us know what you think of this car. Thanks a lot.